clockwise direction. 100% duty cycle. 50% duty cycle. Now counterclockwise direction. 100% duty cycle. 70% duty cycle. There are 4 herringbone gears. The first stage pinion gear has 10 teeth and it is connected to the shaft of a 12-volt DC motor, 200 RPM and a torque of 2.2 kg/cm. The first stage driven gear has 50 teeth. The second stage pinion gear has 10 teeth and the second stage driven gear has 60 teeth. This brings it to a whole total gear ratio of 30:1, which is capable of delivering about 66 kg/cm torque. Thank you for watching.